Hello, and welcome to using WileyPLUS to study for exams. Today I'm going to give you some tips from an insider. My name is Naomi Hanig, and I am your WileyPLUS student partner for this semester. I am a fourth-year accounting major, and am supporting Accounting 360, 365, and 720. I'm from the Rochester, New York area, and I love reading, writing, and anything to do with Marvel. The first thing to know is that WileyPLUS is more than homework. I hope that you really got that from my first presentation at the beginning of the semester, but in case you haven't, now is a great time to know that as we go into our final exams. Top 3 WileyPLUS resources to get you ready for an exam are the following. First, practice, as practice makes perfect after all. Second, watch and learn. Some people learn really well by following an example, and this is a perfect resource for that. And third, Orion. This is a fully comprehensive and wonderful learning tool. I hope you've been using it. In case you haven't, it might be great to use for your final exam. Tip number 1 is practice. You can find this in WileyPLUS under the Read, Study, and Practice tab. This section gives invaluable practice resources. It gives you all of the book's homework problems alongside the ability to check your answers in real time. This is a great tool to help you see if you have mastered particular areas of the course. It can also help you see where you might be struggling and should study a little bit more. When you go into WileyPLUS, you're going to first want to go to the Read, Study, and Practice tab. Once you're in this section, you can navigate through the contents by selecting the chapter you want to work on. Once there, the second thing you'll want to do is to navigate to the correct practice session. You can do this through the practice area. When you click on something, you need to make sure to allow for pop-ups, as the practice will bring up a pop-up that lets you go through the examples and see how you're doing. Tip number 2. Watch and learn. This can also be found under the WileyPLUS Read, Study, and Practice tab. This section is very helpful for those who learn by example, wish to cement the process, or who may have missed/forgot some class time. There are great segments that will walk you through different kinds of accounting problems and theories. First, you'll go to the Read, Study, and Practice section. You will also want to go through the contents, making sure to go to the chapter that you want to watch and learn about. Once there, you can go to the bottom and navigate to the Watch and Learn section. This will give you all of the topics. Just scroll through and see what you want to watch and learn about. Tip number 3, Orion. This is a great addition to WileyPLUS. Going to Orion, you can take proficiency tests, practice multiple choice problems, and truly determine where you should focus your studying efforts. To utilize this, you're going to want to go to WileyPLUS and click on the Orion tab. This will take you to a whole new website. Orion is fully comprehensive, and it learns as you learn. It'll see where you need to grow and what you need to do to get to where you want to be. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate and begin your proficiency tests and go from there. If you've already gone through the proficiency tests, you should be pretty familiar with how Orion works. If you're not, just reach out and I can give you some additional information. But please make sure to go in here, use Orion, and just explore. See what you're doing, how you can do. After all, we are just trying to go over what we've learned so we can prepare for our final exams. Orion will walk you through everything. An A is just a few clicks away. Follow these tips to get the grade you want on your exam. It's been shown that using WileyPLUS and Orion in a comprehensive manner can truly help you get the grade you want. Thanks for taking the time to listen. I'm here to help, as always, as I am your WileyPLUS student partner. I'm here for if you have any questions. Please contact me. Again, I'm Naomi Hanig, and my email is ndh7575@rit.edu. It's never too late to ask questions. Thank you.